KChallengeFatLoss.com. I made this video for Roman and all his readers. We've got a great challenge workout called Lucky Number 7. It's got 5 bodyweight exercises that you're going to do 7 reps of each exercise. You're going to start with squat jumps, go to decline push-ups, a bicycle crunch, jumping lunges, and you're going to finish with pull-ups. This workout is an AMRAP style, or as many rounds as possible. And so you're going to do those 5 exercises as many times as you can through in 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how much time you have. Now, I know not everyone can do unassisted pull-ups, so I just want to give you a couple of options for you. And so what you're going to do is you're going to do either inverted rows or TRX suspension pull-ups, or you could do band-assisted pull-ups as well. And so the other thing I want to tell you about is a scapular retraction. So this is a good way to warm up, and it gets you in a great body position for your pull-ups. So what you're going to do is just squeeze the shoulder blades together without bending the arms, and so that helps you elevate just slightly, and you're going to get that chest underneath the bar. That brings me to my second point for a pull-up tip is think about getting the chest under the bar instead of the chin over the bar, which is a common error when people are doing pull-ups. And the last thing, no matter whether you're doing pull-ups, band pull-ups, inverted rows, any kind of assisted pull-up, work on the negative or the lowering down, because that's the strength building phase. So just a couple examples, all right? Just demonstrations for the exercises. A squat jump looks like this. You're going to do 7 squat jumps. If impact is an issue for you, you're going to do that full body extension. Second, you're going to do a decline push-up, so elevate the feet. Think about tight core as you bring your chest to the floor. Next, you're going to do that bicycle crunch, where you pull that shoulder right off the ground. Keep the feet nice and low to modify the feet come a little bit higher. Fourth exercise is the jumping lunge. If that doesn't work for you, you're going to just do a reverse lunge. And your last exercise is the pull-up, inverted row, band-assisted pull-up. However you want to do that pull-up, 7 reps of everything, as many times as possible in 15 to 20 minutes. It's an awesome body weight workout. Have lots of fun with that one.